Hello everyone, and welcome back to TechBlock. Right here we have a gigantic beanbag. It came in 4 boxes. I kind of thought it would come in 1. But no, it came in 4 pretty darn big boxes. Here it says filling. We have more filling. Don't know what's in there, and then we have more filling. Yeah, we're building a beanbag. Now the reason I actually bought a beanbag for the office in the first place is because the echo in here, as you can probably still hear through my lavalier microphone, it's pretty darn bad. So hopefully this beanbag will help alleviate the echoiness of this room. If it doesn't, we will continue to buy more fluffy furniture, I guess, and or maybe soundproof pads to put on the walls or something to help battle the horrible echo that we have in this room. But apart from that, I think what I'm going to do is open this up. I don't know, it says open this end. I've never built a beanbag, so I'm assuming in that box in the corner there we have the actual outside portion of the beanbag. Then we just put all the filling inside. Right, so it says open this end. This is the filling one. I'm gonna try to be careful. I don't know what to expect. Is this just beans? Okay. Well, I mean, I don't know what I was expecting really. Yeah, it's beans. Okay, all right, here we go again. And what a surprise, we have more beans. Okay. Can you guess what's in this one? More beans. Right, so we have a lot of beans, and then this does not actually say like extra filling. So I'm assuming the actual like outer part of the beanbag is in here with, okay, maybe some extra filling as well. I don't really know, man. Fitting your beanbag. Okay, the material. So pretty nice. It feels very similar to my couch in the living room, which is good. Although it's definitely a different color though. If only they were matching, right? Full range of collections. What if I want to buy another beanbag? Alrighty, ooh, this is, I think, German, French, okay. And then UK, thank you. To ensure that your beanbag fabric arrives in perfect condition, your beans have been supplied separately to the fabric bean. Okay, cool. So use a contained space, the bath, or any carpeted areas. Oh, non-carpeted areas. 3 beans after your beanbag is filled. Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, this is a non-carpeted area. There's nothing here, so I think we should be fine in the office here. Keep animals and small children out of the room you are filling the beanbag in. So we must find the zip fastening, and can you guess? We have more beans there, wow. Oh, all right, so the zip fastening is here. It's already kind of like unzipped. Oh, is that it? Cool. So we just pour the beans in here, dude. Filling your beanbag. Carefully enter the beans from the packaging into the unzipped opening into your beanbag. You'll find filling your beanbag much easier if you ask a friend. Yeah, I need a friend. What is this? This is an interesting zipper. Okay, I'm thinking how, okay, I definitely need help. Right, filling this beanbag by myself, not gonna be possible because I'll just spill beans everywhere. Oh my god. The beanbag is here. It's all filled up now. It's so big that it barely fits through the door. Oh, there we go. Right. All right, so we're back in the office. We now have a gigantic beanbag. Like this thing is massive. So we have my desk here, and that's the beanbag. It takes up like the entire corner of this room. But the echo in here kind of has improved a little bit. We still have a long way to go, of course. But we now have, a gigantic fluffy beanbag in here. So hopefully that's gonna help us out, reducing the echo in here. Also, I'm kind of like covered in fluff and stuff, but I think from the beanbag. But, oh, it's pretty big. You could probably easily fit 2 people on here. Like, one person could be here, there could be another one here. It's a big ass beanbag. It's definitely like super comfy. Like once you kind of get into a good position, I guess, on the beanbag, then it's just like, it's so nice here. But what I have been doing recently is, because the weather in the UK is just so freaking bad lately, the summer is over apparently. I don't know when it even started. It just rains every single day. So I can't really use my sun loungers anymore. That was kind of like my spot where I'd, lay down, I'd reply to all the comments and stuff. It'd be like the perfect spot for it. You know, it's nice and chill. But because of the awful weather, it just rains every day. I can't use my sun lounges anymore. This is kind of like the new spot indoors, I guess, where, you know, I can chill. I can go on my phone, reply to all the comments and stuff, and then right in front of me, you know, where the camera currently is, it'll be the whole setup there. So, and speaking of the whole setup, we have a very awesome delivery coming in today that you'll find out more about in a different video entirely, but it's a laptop. And I went ahead and brought over one of my Razer Mamba plus Firefly Hyperflux combos here. So we have a mouse and mouse mat combo for the laptop that should be arriving today. It was actually meant to arrive yesterday, but I ended up missing the delivery whilst having some coffee. So that happened. Luckily, I think they're going to re-deliver it today. So hopefully we don't miss it this time. Yeah, because I don't have any laptop here. I don't have any PC in this new apartment yet. I know people are like screaming at me in the Instagram DMs and everywhere saying like, why haven't you moved your setup over? That's because I'm still making videos in the setup. It's just taking so long, man. There's always like different things coming up and stuff, so it's kind of been like delayed and delayed. But we should have the setup moved over by the end of the month. Like, I really don't think it's gonna take longer than by the end of June to move everything over. But at least in the meantime, we'll now have a laptop here from today. So I'll be able to like edit the videos on the laptop. We'll do like a full review of it and stuff. It'll be sick, man. But yeah, this has kind of just been, I guess, another part of building my new gaming setup or office room. We've added a beanbag. However, the one thing we do still need to really add is some stuff on the walls, because it's pretty darn plain out here. Like, we have this lovely beanbag, but I feel like there should really be, you know, a bunch of stuff on the walls out here, because it's just like super plain. But back in the old storage bit over here, yeah, not really much else has changed. We have a Hoover there filled with like the beans from the beanbag, because whilst filling it up, so many beans went on the floor. It took a while to clean up. Luckily, someone came over and gave me a hand filling the entire beanbag up and cleaning up all of the beans that spill on the floor. It took a while, a lot longer than I expected. We maybe spent like half an hour in total filling the whole beanbag up and then cleaning up all the mess afterwards. There are still beans all over the house. Like, every now and again I walk into a room, I'm like, oh, we have a bean here, there's a bean there. They're everywhere now. Filling the whole beanbag up itself really didn't take too long. It's cleaning up the mess afterwards, because we missed the hole a few times and beans went everywhere. I'm super happy with this beanbag though. It's just so freaking big. Like, I low-key kind of want to get another one for like my bedroom, because we have like this spot in the corner. I feel like we could maybe add another beanbag there. I don't know, man. Apart from that though, in the living room, we now have some apples. We have a bowl and some apples, thanks to my mum. She hooked me up with a bunch of apples. Cheers, mum. The kitchen, we now have a bit of food, believe it or not. I cooked beef for the first time ever yesterday. I really should have recorded it, but I didn't. So maybe we'll do another cooking with them, where this time we cook some minced beef, I guess. But I ended up buying this Angus steak mince. It was pretty darn good. I bought that, but then I realized I didn't have any oil in the house. So I had to run back down to Tesco's. I picked up some pure sunflower oil. You know, just poured that on the pan, then put the minced steak or the beef, whatever, into the frying pan, cooked it up until it was brown. It turned out like real good, believe it or not. I was really happy with it. But next time I make it, which I think will be tonight probably, I'll also cook some pasta, because all I did was cook like 100 grams of that beef. I just ate it with the beef, nothing else. I think I put some hot sauce on there, but that was it. It wasn't very filling. So tonight, actually I might even record another cooking with them tonight. I don't know, we'll see what happens. But I'm gonna be cooking beef and pasta this time. So that should be like, you know, more of a normal meal instead of just pasta or just beef on its own. It'll now be both. It'll be so sick, dude, because the pasta cooks in around like 5 minutes time. So does the beef as well, I think. Yeah, it should be good. We should have a decent dinner this time. I do have some eggs now that I've been cooking. We have Happy Hen Co. up there in the corner, and the fridge is still filled with drinks. Not much food still, but we're slowly adding food, very slowly adding food. But we mainly just have drinks here. I feel like I need to refill on Monsters though, because we're kind of running, we're running low. We have a lot of Red Bulls. We have maybe like 15 Red Bulls in there. A few Heinekens, but I won't be drinking those. Yeah, we have 7-Up free, calorie-free 7-Up. Damn, dude. Ooh, and then as for the freezer, we have ice cream. That is not mine. ice cubes, chicken, and frozen. Wait, what is this? I think I bought this a while ago. Steam bags, broccoli, sweet potato, beetroot. What? Kale? Why did I buy that? I just really can't wait until they deliver that laptop today, because I think it should be here before 12. It's currently around 10:25, so in the next like hour and a half, hopefully we'll get the laptop. Then I can make an unboxing video, talk a bit more about it, and we can finally get some work done in this apartment. Maybe I'll just like lay on the beanbag here and just like edit a video. I don't really know, but I have a feeling what I'll probably be doing in the time being is I'll set up the mouse and mouse mats and the laptop in the living room, like on the coffee table, basically like right there. I'll sit on the couch, you know, I'll edit the video, I'll do whatever I gotta do. It'll be sick, man. But there is a chair arriving to this new office. I don't know if I've mentioned this anywhere, but it's from GT Omega again. They hooked us up. There will be a chair unboxing coming soon. So the office is slowly being developed. Slowly things are being added to it. We have a desk, we have a gigantic beanbag, a chair is on the way, and now we're getting a laptop today as well. So we will have like a temporary setup in this room very, very soon, which is gonna be awesome, man. But apart from that, everyone, thank you all so much for watching. If you wanna go pick up this sick beanbag on Amazon, I'll leave a link down below in the description. They have a bunch of different beanbags. I'm not sponsored by this beanbag company or anything. It's just a sick beanbag, man. It's so freaking big. Damn, I can't believe I have a beanbag. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope to see you in another video soon. Goodbye.